Alright, hello everyone. So, today's workout is going to be an arms workout. Even though the weather is not cooperating, we're still going to go ahead with the workout. The way we're going to do this is we're going to be hypersetting and supersetting most of the exercises. We'll aim for 6 exercises per muscle group. So that's 6 for biceps, 6 for triceps. But we'll try to comprise it in 2 to 3 hypersets for each muscle group. We're aiming to total 25 to 30 sets for each muscle group, so in the range of 50 to 60 sets. So let's see how it goes and let's kick it off. That right there, 1 set. 5 more of those before we move on to biceps. Okay, so we finished up with the triceps first hyperset. Now we're moving on to biceps, where we're going to be supersetting some cable curls with some easy bar curls for our first superset, before we move back to another superset of triceps, which is going to be close grip bench with easy bar skull crushers afterwards. And then we're going to aim to finish up for the biceps with some hammer curls and supersetting it. Probably going to go with some reverse grip easy bar curls, just to target the forearms a little bit better as well.
Right. So what happened here is, initially, as I mentioned at the start of the video, I was planning on making this an arms workout video. However, I decided to incorporate a leg session as well. I felt it's worth showing a different way of training that can still be very effective, even though it's not a classic legs training session that you would normally see someone perform like in a gym environment. However, I do guarantee that this is still going to get your quads, hamstrings, and calves burning up. I performed this part of the workout in the street in front of the house, and I went for some farmer carry walks, some high jumps, and some lunges, performing 6 sets of each of these exercises. Now, this isn't something you see very often, at least not around where I am living, so people passing by were giving me some funny looks, probably thinking to themselves, why the hell would anyone want to be training in the rain in like 5 degrees Celsius? But as I mentioned in my previous videos, I do enjoy working out in adverse weather conditions, as well as I feel that it adds some extra edge of aggressiveness to my workouts. I would also like to mention the reason I like to incorporate supersets, hypersets, and different types of explosive exercises in my workouts is that this way the workouts feel much more efficient. They exhaust and engage the muscles better, and you build endurance and also functional muscle, which, at least for me, is and always was and always will be very important, as I do want to get as big and as muscular as possible, but while maintaining a high level of athleticism. I do hope you enjoyed this workout as well. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and join me again soon for another interesting video. Ray from Alpha Genetics, over and out.